Finally, nakasakay din. Kahit naiwan ako. So, good things come to those who wait. And that's me. Mga sawi. Naiwan. Umalis na siya. Bye!
Ini balik mengarut lah. Yang Rabu tak apalah 500 lebih. Tak apalah lama sikit kan.
So now in Terminal 1. At Food Garden first, I have my breakfast. As I can see, it's crazy. What is this? A380? Triple 7. For the transform na naman tayo. Yay! May pumapag-asang onload. Thank you kay madam. Sala, nag-pray na talaga ako ng 100 times kasi kailangan kong maka-attend sa shower party ni Ate May. Mukhang may pag-asa tayo. Malaki ang chance. O, diba? Kagalang-galang tayo. Hindi tayo pwede na. OMG guys, so happy. Thank you to Malaysia Airlines and Ate May. Oh, let's go! Yay, finally! Usually, nahatid ko lang sila dito. And now, first time to try MH. You have a lot of duty free also. I don't have time. Walang mga Malaysian normal. Oh, chicken. Let's go. Each four.
Aerosol dan beraneka. Dan ceria.
Wow, crew is here. Parang ang bata ni Cap. Char. Kuya. Ito ba? Catering. Ayan, food. Ano kayang lunch natin? Today's video.
Sebelum menaiki pesawat, kini kami menjemput penumpang yang memerlukan bantuan khas dan keluarga yang membawa kanak-kanak kecil dan bayi untuk menaiki pesawat. Bagi penumpang-penumpang yang lain, sila tunggu sehingga pembahasan seterusnya dibuat. Terima kasih.
Today, they're very nice. So, dapat pala nito picture. Oh, look at my transformation. Diba? We cannot, tsaka-tsaka. So, I saw the crew also. So neat and nice. Full load. Thank you, MH. So, kahit iwan ako ng flight kanina, good things come to those who wait. Medyo try kong MH. Sorry. iba talaga yung feels ng full service. Ngayon ko na lang ulit ito naramdaman. I love airway siya, so, but yeah. MH. Actually, I'm already late for the bridal shower. Okay. I'll try the food. Crew is nice. Exciting. 737.
Tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, kita jumpa barengan anda di ruang penantian. Selamat berbahagia yang
It's like a mini Boeing. Pag ganun yung overhead natin.
You may use your electronic device and see the
Today we have
Ayun.
some face sessions. There's our from Bombay Airlines 730 from Kuala Lumpur to Manila. For information, there's a flight that take us 3 hours and 20 minutes. Should you require assistance, please do not hesitate to contact our cabin crew. Thank you.
Thai basil chicken. And we have mustard, fruits. Water and the drinks later. Movie. Apple juice. Now we will try Thai basil. Set up. Actually, I can taste aircraft food. Without sharing a charcoal. Will taste better. Let's go. Next, we'll try marble. butter cake is nicer. Kacang. Selfie sa toilet. 2 more hours. Nice food. Thank you, Emmy. Akala mo magpapatalo kami. Siyempre, hindi kami magpapatalo. Kaya nga sabi niya, sinong nanay niya? Sabi ko, mamalay ko. Nakita nga. Ay, Jen. Oy, te. Oo, tsaka Mar, syempre, ilan ang friend mo? Di dalawa. Ayan. Kaya nga, pati ako. Oh, hello.
Thank you, kaya po sabi ko, isama na natin si Papa at si Bani, kawawa naman sila.
Girls nga eh. Wow.
Uy, naka-contact lens ka.
Oo nga. Oh, Belo.
Di ba dapat belly na muna tapos ganun yung, parang
Eh, di ko na maglagay yung mic ko, no? Ikaw pa na nakakaisip eh. Yeah. Ang galing naman. Virtual lang muna. Galing naman. Sana all. Yay! Cheers to the bride-to-be. Eh, dalaga yan. Cheers! O, isa pa nga. Ay, hold it. Dami naman. Ano yan? Ilang rounds ba yan?